What you want?
Good morning, everyone. It is Sunday morning, and I'm sick. I apologize for not having a video yesterday, but as you can see, we had a snowstorm. And it's still snowing and blowing a little bit right now. We actually have a cold front going through right now, so temperatures are starting to drop. Supposed to take Ashley out to get shoes today, but I'm not sure whether I'm going to. Because, like I said, I'm not feeling good. Plus, they're also predicting a blizzard for us Monday night. They're saying we could get up to 2.5 to 3 feet of snow, which I really don't want. We shoveled 4 inches yesterday, and that was bad enough. Keep our eyes on the weather forecast. Hopefully it changes, so I'll let you know. But I'm heading in because, like I said, the temperature is dropping, and it is getting cold, and the snow is starting to blow from the cold front coming through. So I'll get back with you in a little bit and let you know what's going on today. Hey, everyone, I'm back inside. It is getting cold out there. I'm not sure. When I woke up, it was about 36 degrees. Right now it's dropped down to 31, so the temperature is dropping. We're supposed to get down into single digits tonight, so that's going to make it, just set the stage for the storm coming in. They're calling it could be a blizzard of historic proportions. So I lived through the blizzard of 1978. I was only 8 years old at the time, but that was a pretty bad storm from what I remember. I remember having no school for a whole week on that one. Only thing I could say to everyone is make sure you got plenty of food. Make sure you have plans in case the power goes out for losing heat. Because if we get 2 to 3 feet of snow and the power goes out, it's going to be a while before it gets back on. Make sure that you check on the elderly. Watch your neighbors. Make sure that you're safe. That's the biggest thing. We're New Englanders. We're used to this. We've had these storms before. Just be safe. If you don't have to go out, don't be stupid. Don't go out. And just stay warm, stay home. I'll give you more information on the storm as I get it. Right now it's 11:30, so they'll probably come out with more information about noon. So any news information I get, I'll let you know. So I'll be back with you guys in a bit. Hey everyone, I am heading downstairs. I just went out, cleared off a little bit more of the snow. The girls and Lee pretty much cleaned it up this morning, but I want to clear the edges off because they're calling for a major snowstorm. Yeah, that's probably better. So we're going to get a major snowstorm. They are talking not in inches but in feet on this storm. And then there's that storm's supposed to hit late Monday night into all day Tuesday and then into Wednesday. And then they're saying another storm Thursday into Friday. And then possibly another storm Saturday night into Sunday. All big storms. I cannot wait for vacation. Vacation is coming very soon, and I cannot wait for it. So, but right now, I gotta do a little trimming here. This is getting a little too bushy for me, and I gotta take my shower. So, I'm gonna be back with you in a little bit. I'll show you what I did when I'm done. What I did when I'm done. Or whatever. You'll see what I did. So, I'll get back to you in a few minutes. For right now, I am shutting you guys off. Hey everyone, I'm all trimmed up. Got rid of the beard on the side. It was getting too long and too gray. So, back to the goatee. That's how I've been for the past, 20 years. So, right now, I'm just finishing up. I took a shower. I don't know whether I'm going out with Ash today. We were supposed to go get sneakers, but I'm not sure whether we're going to do it today. Got all the stuff I got to do around the house, take care of. So, I'll keep you along, and I'll let you know what's going on. Hey, everyone. Not much went on today. It was just basic puttering around little things. I'm down in the basement right now. I'm going to do my walk. So, I got to walk for about an hour, and while I do it, I usually play PlayStation at the same time, so it's not as boring. So I'm going to do my walk, and in an hour, it's going to be about 10 o'clock. It'll be time for me to go to bed, so I'll sign off with you then. So be back with you in about an hour. Well, and that's going to be it for me tonight. I just did my walk. Played a couple of games of hockey on the PlayStation, and that's about it. Really didn't do much today. Went upstairs, checked the weather, see if they have any more information about the storm we're getting tomorrow. Their last I saw was 24 to 36 inches, so hopefully it's changed. I'll let you know in the morning what they're saying, and hope to get you a good video throughout the storm. So thanks again for watching. I appreciate it. Like I always say, check out my Facebook page. You can subscribe to my Twitter feed. Go to my website, which is markplant.com, or subscribe below. Thanks again for watching, and I'll see you throughout the storm.
What you want?